With tennis gaining momentum worldwide, players are looking for rackets that combine power, control, and comfort to elevate their game. The market in 2025 offers plenty of options, from beginner-friendly frames to professional-grade rackets. This guide reviews the best tennis rackets of list number 1. The Head Speed Junior Kids Tennis Racket is designed for young players who are just starting their tennis journey. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it allows kids to practice proper strokes without feeling weighed down. The racket is crafted from durable aluminum, ensuring it can withstand the inevitable bumps and scrapes from enthusiastic beginners. One of its standout features is the head light balance, which helps juniors swing faster and maintain control. It comes pre-strung, making it convenient right out of the box, and the grip size is tailored for smaller hands, ensuring comfort during long practice sessions. While this racket won't deliver the power or spin of advanced models, it's not designed for competitive play. Instead, it focuses on teaching young players the fundamentals while keeping the game enjoyable. Parents will also appreciate its affordability and resilience. Overall, the Head Speed Junior Kids Racket is a top choice for budding players in 2025. It combines durability, lightweight construction, and ease of use, perfect for building skills and confidence on the court.
List number 2. The Wilson Tour Slam is a fantastic entry-level racket for adults looking to enjoy tennis recreationally. Featuring a large 112 square inch head, it offers a generous sweet spot, making it more forgiving for beginners who may not always hit the ball cleanly. Constructed from durable aluminum, the Tour Slam provides both strength and lightweight maneuverability. Its power string bridge increases string movement, enhancing power on shots, while the oversized head helps deliver extra depth on volleys and ground strokes. Comfort is also a highlight. The cushioned grip absorbs shock and reduces vibrations, making it easier on the arm. This is particularly important for new players who are still adjusting to frequent play. Though not intended for advanced players seeking precision and spin, the Tour Slam is perfect for casual players and those looking to improve their skills. Its affordable price point makes it accessible to anyone interested in the sport. In short, the Wilson Tour Slam is one of the best recreational rackets of 2025, offering power, forgiveness, and ease of use for beginners and casual players alike.
List number 3. The Head Radical MP 2025 is built for intermediate and advanced players who demand versatility on the court. Featuring a 98 square inch head size, it offers the perfect balance between power and control, allowing players to hit aggressive shots without sacrificing precision. This racket incorporates Graphene 360 Plus technology, which enhances stability and energy transfer for powerful yet comfortable play. The frame is designed to provide excellent spin potential, making it ideal for players who rely on topspin-heavy ground strokes. The Radical MP's weight and balance ensure that it feels solid in hand, while still being maneuverable enough for quick reactions at the net. The grip is cushioned for comfort, helping reduce arm fatigue during long matches. While it may not be as forgiving as oversized beginner rackets, it shines for players looking to elevate their game. Its precision and responsiveness make it a strong choice for competitive athletes. Overall, the Head 2025 Radical MP is one of the best performance rackets of the year, offering power, control, and spin potential for ambitious players.
List number 4. The Senston 27-inch Tennis Racket. The Senston 27-inch tennis racket is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Constructed from a lightweight aluminum frame, it is durable enough for regular use while remaining easy to handle. Its standard 27-inch length makes it suitable for most adult players, whether beginners or intermediates. The racket features a mid-size head that strikes a balance between forgiveness and control. It also comes pre-strung, making it ready for play immediately. The comfortable grip reduces vibrations, ensuring a smoother experience during practice or recreational matches. What sets the Senston apart is its accessibility. It's affordable yet functional, making it an excellent choice for players who want to explore the sport without a big investment.
While it may lack the advanced technologies of premium rackets, it performs well for casual games and light training sessions. For players seeking an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use racket, the Senston is a great option in 2025. It proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy quality play.
List number 5. Although not a racket itself, the Wilson 2025 Roland Garros tennis racket bag is an essential companion for players who want to protect and transport their gear in style. Designed in collaboration with the iconic French Open, it combines premium aesthetics with functionality. The bag can comfortably hold multiple rackets along with accessories like balls, grips, and water bottles. Its padded compartments protect equipment from damage, while adjustable shoulder straps ensure easy carrying. Made with durable materials, it's built to withstand frequent use. The Roland Garros branding adds a touch of prestige, appealing to fans of the tournament and tennis enthusiasts alike. It also includes smaller pockets for personal items, keeping everything organized. While advanced players may opt for larger bags with more storage, this model strikes a perfect balance between style and practicality. It's especially suited for recreational or competitive players who value both form and function.